Okay, I'm here now at the CO2Meter booth. I've got Vice President of Marketing, Morgan Morris. Morgan, you guys recently just launched a new product line. Talk about the significance of those products to the distributors here at GAWDA.
Yeah, absolutely. So in the past year, we've really strengthened our presence overall just with the expansion of our new gas detection solutions line, specifically the new multi-gas safety system, which is incredible now for the industry because we're able to monitor and measure across 40 different gases and gas concentration ranges, really getting us into a lot of new markets we weren't able to tap into, and also just providing a solution for almost any customer out there. So whether you're using toxic combustibles or refrigerant gases, we now have a solution for your environment.
Awesome. And if you think about one of the best wins as far as a partnership goes between you and one of the GAWDA members here, what types of products are they having success with?
Yeah, so I know I can think of one right off the bat. Just this past year, we've established a really great partnership with West Air out of California. So they've been able to integrate our gas detection safety solutions specifically in their facility and have been able to grow. We've had a really successful partnership there, and obviously it wouldn't be without GAWDA.
Awesome. And last question for you. Take us through anything that you brought with us here to Phoenix that maybe if a distributor didn't make it, they missed out on it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll take you over. So we have a few different solutions here at the GAWDA AC. We've kind of given you a little bit of a glimpse of everything, including those new gas detection solutions that I mentioned before. So here we do have our multi-gas safety solution. This is a device that can monitor and measure across 40 different gases. It obviously includes the audible and visual alarms for the safety environments. It also integrates with data transmission, which is great for distributors, where if they have a lot of different facilities, they can see all of their facilities and the gases. Should there be a potential hazard, they get it on one central dashboard. So really integral for the gas distributors. For those environments where there are using a lot of combustibles, so any gases that can go boom, we have this monitor specifically for combustible gases. It also can be used not only indoors for environmental monitoring, but also outdoors in those environments where there's a lot more aggression. And then we have the welding gas analyzer. This is great for our welding supply shops as well as gas distributors where they want to meet the actual AWS specs and they want to verify their gas blends in the field for quality and assurance. This device does that and also can be customized depending on their environment or solution. So we really do have a little bit of everything here for gas distributors out there.
All right, there you go. Quick update here from CO2Meter. Thank you, Morgan, for everything that you guys do for us here at GAWDA Media. Always great to see you and Josh and Jackson back at home dealing with the hurricane at the shows. So thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Tim. And thank you, GAWDA.